So guys, it's Cool Story Bro. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Lite, and this is the Pokemon edition. And this is the front of the box, as you can see right there. And then when we turn it on the side, probably can't see because the light's reflecting, you can see this is a Pokemon character there. And when we go on the back, you can actually see the design. It's got like this gold and then a silver kind of Pokemon, which looks pretty awesome. Let's get to the unboxing of the Pokemon Edition Switch Lite. So let's open it up for the first time. As you can see, it's a brand new model. Got the console. Let's get the cardboard box out the way. We've got the Nintendo Switch Lite manual, and I think there were warranties in it as well. And then we've got the Switch adapter. In most cases, I sometimes use my USB-C cable and it works completely fine. Let's get it out. This looks absolutely awesome. See, let's just shine it in the light. The gold on that looks awesome. It looks really, really dope. Now, I don't think you get the video game with it. I think it's just like the Nintendo console itself, the Nintendo Lite console. This is how the Nintendo Switch grey and white should be. The black buttons just look awesome. It looks like a premium console. Now, I don't know why the white and grey, it just kind of looks like a kind of kid kind of product, but this, it just looks like a tablet to a mobile device. It just looks amazing, but it feels really, really nice. So as you can see right now, this is on my MacBook Pro 2016 model, and it just looks amazing. It just looks the same color, so I'm guessing it's a space gray color. I don't think it actually says that on the box, on Nintendo Lite box. Hopefully you enjoy. That was just a quick look. Everything is exactly the same. There's no screen upgrades or anything like that. There's no graphics improvements or anything like that. I do love this model. It's because it reminds me of the PSP days. I mean, the PSP was the ultimate console. So thanks for watching, guys. If there's any questions, let me know. And this was just a quick unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Lite. I'm gonna call it Space Gray Pokemon Edition. And let's have a look at the back before we go. There we go. Wow, just looks amazing. Just looks absolutely premium edition Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching, guys.